All right. Hi, we're the Charles Walker Band from Milwaukee. We're going to do a song off of our new CD, Relentless, entitled Soul Deep. It's an ode to the bootay.